first opera, Mansfield Park, in January of 2020, and I just fell in love with opera then. I had no idea that anything like it existed, and after I decided that I wanted to do that I had to do it. So I started voice lessons a week later. I was able to attend this past year's SOI, and I had so much fun. It was the best week of my life. I recently had a role in Magic Flute, and when I was on stage, it just felt right and natural for me, and it was then that I knew that this is what God wants me to do. In the Gloaming is a British parlour song, and I chose it because I have Scottish heritage and it's beautiful. And it was composed by a Scottish woman, based on a poem by another Scottish woman. Annie Fortescue Harrison, the composer, was in love with an Irishman, Lord Hill. His family didn't approve of them getting married, though, because they were two different social classes. So Miss Harrison went to England to focus on her music. Later, Lord Hill went to a concert, and there in the Gloaming was performed. And after we decided that we would find Miss Harrison and marry her despite what his family thought. And we did. I hope you will love this song as much as I did.
Gentle unknown.